The following items are included in the cleaning kit: cleaning pads, cleaning cards, printhead cleaning swabs, and long isopropyl cleaning cards. Open the flipper front door. Use the printer key to unlock and open the reject hopper cover. Move the flipper table to the right to make room for you to feed the cleaning card in. Remove the cleaning card from its cover. Feed the long card into the flipper by pressing the back and forward buttons on the front of the printer. Repeat this process a few times so that the flipper and magnetic feed rollers get cleaned thoroughly. Close the reject cover and output door. Use the printer key to remove the input hopper and open the printer front door. By pressing the forward and back buttons, feed the long card through the card path rollers. Repeat the process several times so that the card path rollers are cleaned. Unplug the power cord from the rear of the printer. Remove the printhead cleaning swab from its packaging. Move the printhead cleaning swab on the printhead back and forth as shown. Reinsert the power cord. Close the printer front door. Remove the paper from both ends of the cleaning card. Load the cleaning card into the printer's card input area. On your computer, click Start, then choose Printer and Scanners. Select the HDPii Plus card printer. Click Manage. Click Printing Preferences, click Toolbox, and click the Clean Printer tab at the top. Click the Clean button to initiate the cleaning routine. The cleaning card will move into the printer and move back and forth to clean the card path rollers. A cleaning printer message will appear on the printer's LCD screen. Open the printer output door. Remove the cleaning card. Close the output tray and door. To load consumables, open the printer front door using the printer key. Remove the film from its container. Hold the film from its take-up side and pull to release the glue part. Load the film as shown. The film cartridge is colour marked to match the take-up and supply side. Wind a small amount of film towards the take-up side to remove any slack. Load the film cartridge into the printer. Remove the ribbon from its container. Load the ribbon onto the cartridge matching the ribbon colour caused to the cartridge. Manually wind a small amount of ribbon towards the take-up side to remove any slack. Load the ribbon cartridge into the printer. Close the printer front door. Remove the paper from the cleaning roller. This roller comes with every new ribbon. Load the cleaning roller into the printer's card input area. And place the input hopper on the printer.